Go upstairs to your room. Don't come down until I call you.
Hey, you're ruining Christmas.
I'm lost.
He's tracing the signal on his 5E3 clone that has no sound at the output. Watch how sensitive this probe is. You hear that? It's a 1K signal going through the input. Went up past the probe tip, just even close to it. Pretty crazy. Alright, let me check the outputs here. There it is, we're getting amplification from one output to the next. Alright, sorry got cut off. Watch. That's a lot more quiet, isn't it? But that's me touching the chassis. So what does that tell you? Alright. Just go right to the grids. That's nice. So that tells me that maybe our output jacks are not wired appropriately, so.
Boy, that was fun. Can we do it again?
You want to do it again?
Yeah, I want to do it again.
You really want to do it again?